Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make a pineapple upside down cake. This is a popular American dessert and we're excited to share this recipe with you.
Thanks so much for all your requests, and we hope you like this video.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To start, we're going to prep the pan with the top layer of fruit. Take a 9-inch round cake pan that's at least 2 inches high. Add in 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter on the bottom surface. Use a brush to spread the butter evenly over the bottom surface and up the sides of the pan. Then sprinkle half a packed cup of dark brown sugar over the bottom surface, letting it mix in with the melted butter. Then take a large sheet pan and line it with paper towels. From a 20-ounce can of pineapple slices in pineapple juice, separate the pineapple slices and the juice. You should get about 10 round slices and around 1 cup of pineapple juice. Set the pineapple juice aside for now. Extract 19 maraschino cherries from a jar. These should be pitted and stemmed. Place the pineapple slices and maraschino cherries on the paper towel-lined sheet pan and pat the pineapple slices and maraschino cherries with extra paper towels to remove excess juices. The fruit should be as dry as possible before baking to avoid soggy cake. Arrange 7 round slices on the bottom of the prepared pan on top of the brown sugar. I like to put 1 round in the middle and the remaining 6 around the perimeter of the pan in a tessellated pattern. Take the 3 remaining rounds and slice them in half to make 6 halves. Arrange these halves along the side of the pan. Arrange the blotted maraschino cherries in the middle of the pineapple rounds, as well as in the gaps where the 3 rounds of pineapple meet. You'll need exactly 19 maraschino cherries. Be sure to press the pineapple and cherries firmly into the pan so they are in direct contact with the bottom surface of the pan. This will ensure that the top of the cake has more vibrant colors from the pineapple and cherries. Place this prepared pan in the fridge to help the top arrangement set while making the batter.
This cake batter is supposed to be quite dense, so don't be surprised if the batter doesn't look runny. Take a large bowl and a sieve. Add in 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and ½ a teaspoon of salt. Sift together and whisk the dry ingredients together to combine. Then take a medium-sized bowl, add in 1/3 cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, the 1/4 cup of pineapple juice from the can that was set aside earlier, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Whisk these wet ingredients together till well combined. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add in 8 tablespoons, which is 1 stick of softened, unsalted butter, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. With the paddle attachment, beat on medium-high speed for 2 minutes till the butter and sugar are creamed together. Stop the mixer. Scrape down the sides and the bottom of the mixing bowl as needed. While mixing on medium speed, add in 2 large eggs, 1 egg at a time, making sure the first egg is fully incorporated before adding the second one. Stop the mixer and scrape down the bowl as needed. Then mix on medium speed for another 20 seconds to let the wet ingredients incorporate completely. Turn the speed down to low. Add in about 1/3 of the flour mixture, mixing it until just combined. Then add half of the sour cream mixture, mixing just until combined. Then 1/3 of the flour mixture, then the remaining half of the sour cream mixture, then the rest of the flour mixture. Mix on low just until everything is well combined and the batter looks smooth. Try not to overmix this batter. Stop the mixer and scrape down the paddle attachment and bowl as needed. Pour this batter into the prepared pan that's been chilled. level the top surface with an offset spatula, spreading the batter all the way to the sides to completely cover the half rounds of pineapple on the sides of the pan. Before placing the cake in the oven, take a piece of foil and mold it over the top of the pan. Remove the foil.
In the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, bake this uncovered for 30 minutes. At the 30-minute mark, add the molded foil loosely over the pan. This will prevent the top surface, which will be the bottom of the cake, from getting burned as the center of the cake finishes cooking. The cake will rise and stick to the foil top a bit, and that's okay. Continue baking with the foil top for another 12 to 15 minutes. Remove the foil. The cake is done when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out with just a few moist crumbs. Let the cake cool in the pan on a metal rack for 20 minutes. After it has cooled for 20 minutes, take your serving dish or plate and put it over the cake. Quickly and confidently invert the cake directly onto the serving dish. Tap the base of the cake pan, gently shake the pan as needed, and slowly and very gently lift off the cake pan. Let the cake cool completely to room temperature. For neater slices, it's important to cool the cake completely to room temperature before slicing. Serve at room temperature and store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge. And there it is, a gorgeous pineapple upside-down cake, a deliciously fruity dessert perfect for the summer. Ang sarap.
Yum.
So good. The caramel at the top makes this cake so moist.
And I love all the fruit on top. It really makes it so beautiful. And it's high in fiber.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this pineapple upside down cake. Send us pictures of your creations on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes and more, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com.
Maraming salamat!